Running boards, often referred to as Nerf bars or side steps, aren't just for looks. They provide a secure and comfortable step up, especially for children, older adults, or anyone with limited mobility. There are many products available to choose running boards, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best running boards from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Tiger Auto 3.5 Rider Running Boards Compatible. Chevy Silverado or GMC Sierra paired with the Tiger Auto for a polished appearance and improved functionality. These running boards boast a wider 3.5-inch step pad surface and a distinct oval tube design, ensuring stability even in damp conditions. Crafted from durable alloy steel with a textured black finish, they not only add flair but also fend off rust and corrosion. Installation is straightforward and speedy thanks to seamless construction and included hardware. No drilling is required. These running boards can be affixed to your vehicle's rocker panel in just 20 minutes. Tiger Auto offers a hassle-free 5-year warranty against manufacturing defects, demonstrating confidence in their product's quality. Compatible with various models of Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra crew cabs, these running boards are engineered to fit seamlessly. Number 2. Comnova 6 Running Boards. The Comnova running boards, compatible with Chevy Silverado or GMC Sierra models from 2007 to 2019, blend style, practicality, and innovative design. We found this product to be of impressive quality compared to Auto Dynasty's running board. Crafted from durable galvanized steel and featuring anti-slip plastic steps, these running boards provide secure and stylish entry to your vehicle, boasting a generous 6-inch step for easy access. Their sliding mechanism allows for personalized positioning without the need for drilling during installation. These running boards showcase a patented design and are constructed without welding, equipped with 4 brackets on each side along with plastic bracket covers, enhancing the aesthetics of your truck while ensuring strength and durability. Whether you're loading cargo or stepping into your truck, the Comnova 6 running boards offer added convenience and safety for both you and your passengers. Number 3. Yotamotor 6-inch Running Boards Compatible. The Yotamotor running boards cater specifically to Ford F-Series Super Crew cab pickups, seamlessly blending style with practicality. Designed to fit models from 2015 to 2024, these sleek and sturdy boards provide a reliable step for easy vehicle access. Constructed from high-quality aluminum and finished with a textured black coating, they not only offer an attractive look but also effectively resist corrosion. Featuring 6-inch non-slip injection step pads, these boards guarantee stable footing, simplifying entry and exit for passengers. Installation is a breeze, requiring no drilling, as the boards securely mount to factory points in under an hour. With a weight capacity of 450 pounds per side, each board is engineered for long-lasting performance. The package includes 2 boards, complete with necessary brackets, hardware, and clear installation instructions, ensuring a hassle-free, safe, and stylish addition to your Ford F-Series truck. Number 4. Autosaver 88 6-inches O-style running boards. The Autosaver 88 for the Jeep Wrangler JL 4-door is a dependable option that combines durability and convenience. Tailored specifically for models manufactured from 2018 to 2024, these running boards provide a safe and stylish step for easy access to your vehicle. Constructed from rugged ABS plastic with a non-slip surface, they endure tough weather conditions while reducing the risk of slipping. Passengers can confidently enter and exit the vehicle with stability thanks to its 6-inch wide step. Installation is simple with provided mounting brackets and hardware, requiring no drilling or cutting. Each running board is engineered to fit precisely, ensuring a seamless integration with your Jeep Wrangler. Furthermore, these boards offer added protection to your vehicle's rocker panels against off-road obstacles such as rocks and debris, enhancing both aesthetics and functionality whether you're traversing rugged terrain or navigating urban streets. Number 5. Onine CRB 830 N110 Clutch Running Boards. The Onine for Chevy Silverado or GMC Sierra crew cab trucks features a unique clutch-style mechanism and robust steel construction. Designed with textured steps for improved grip and drainage, they enhance safety during use. These running boards offer a spacious surface area, facilitating easy access to the truck's front and rear doors for passengers. Additionally, they can be customized to suit your preferences and are easily installed using provided mounting brackets, eliminating the need for drilling. Crafted from durable materials such as rust-resistant powder-coated steel, these running boards are engineered to endure various weather conditions and support up to 500 pounds on each side. Backed by a lifetime warranty against manufacturing defects, they guarantee long-term quality and performance, providing both reassurance and convenience for your Chevy Silverado or GMC Sierra. That's all from on my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.